Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that conditional rendering using the switch statement. Now in this video, I want to discuss about the conditional rendering using the ternary operator, or you can also call it as a shorthand if-else condition. Okay, so with this we can actually do this work very easily. For doing this, I want to do in here, okay, in here that is our function, that is a return also that will be needed, right? Here I want to better close remove everything. I want to remove everything, and also I want to call it as a RSC. So I want to call another our new application. Okay, here I will simply remove it. So now that will actually our total things, right? So now that is our application as a app, and it will be returned our that is our tab. Great. So now here if you want to use some of the ternary operator, that means shorthand if-else condition. In that case, I want to take on the variable. I just name it as the status. Status I want to make it by default that will be as a true. Okay, first time that will be as a true. Great. Now into the return. Okay, now into the return that is our div. So into this area I want to call that our second bracket operator, and here I want to take it our status. Okay, that is actually our that is the status, right? Status by default I make it as a true. I take the things with this variable. So now when this is status I want to put as if else condition, right? So that will be if that is status as a true, then that will be load one of the button, and button will be displayed as a logout. Okay, button will be displayed as a logout, and else it will be display another button. Okay, that will be display another button will be displayed as a logging. How much easy, you can see. So that is our shorthand if else condition. So when this status will be as a true, that means if condition, then that will be displayed as a logout button, and else that should be displayed as a logging button. So now by default I make it as a true. Now that should be displayed as a logout. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go, yes, you can see it's now successfully display our logout button. And if you want to change it, like here I want to make it as a false, so now that is all behind that will be as a false, and then that will be displayed as a logging button. Right here now that should be displayed as a logging button. So how much easily you can do this conditional rendering using the ternary operator, I hope it's very clear to you. Okay, so that is our if else condition. Great. So next video I want to do the same thing with using the another conditional rendering using that logical and then function. So how to do this work in our next video, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.